In this video, we will look at how to sort PDF bookmarks and pages using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. The two AutoBookmark plugin features that are the most powerful are sorting bookmarks alphabetically and reordering pages to match bookmarks. The sorting bookmarks alphabetically feature ensures that the bookmark panel is intuitive to browse, making it easy for readers to locate topics or sections at a glance. This is especially useful for reference manuals, glossaries, and other content where alphabetical order improves usability. The reordering pages to match bookmarks feature is used once the bookmarks are properly sorted. AutoBookmark can automatically reorganize the actual pages in the PDF so that they follow the same sequence. This creates a seamless alignment between navigation and content, eliminating confusion and ensuring the document structure is consistent from both perspectives. In this tutorial, we'll be working with a sample PDF that contains pages and bookmarks arranged in arbitrary order. Our objective is to first sort the bookmarks alphabetically and then reorder the document's pages to match that sequence, effectively bringing both the bookmarks and the pages into a clear, consistent order. As you can see, the bookmarks are listed in arbitrary order. To sort the bookmarks alphabetically, navigate to the Menu button in the top left-hand side corner of the screen, then click on the Plugins menu, then on Bookmarks, then click on the Sort button, and then click on the Sort Bookmarks option. In the Sort Bookmarks dialog, select the alphabetical sorting method and press the OK button to start processing. As you can see, the bookmarks have now been sorted in alphabetical order. The pages on the document are not sorted alphabetically like the bookmarks. To sort the pages to match the bookmarks, navigate to the Menu button again, press on the Plugins menu, click on Bookmarks, then click on Sort, and select the Sort Pages option. Then click on the OK button to sort the pages based on the current order of the bookmarks. As you can see, the pages are now sorted in alphabetical order, just like the bookmarks. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.